Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, in this video, I want to be talking about I don't know if it's gonna be up to 5, but ways in which you can be making steady daily income online. Apparently, doing nothing. Okay, when I mean doing nothing, at least you just do small thing. You do something. So it's probably it can be called a side hustle. I don't want this video to be too long, but I'll just go straight to the point. Guys, in this present dispensation, in this present world, it will be very, very bad if a teenager or a youth or a man or a woman who understands, who knows how to make use of an Android phone or an iOS phone, who is a little bit conversant with the internet, it will be very, 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 very bad if that person is still living in abject poverty today. Because, guys, there are several informations going online on how to make money, on how to become better, and all those stuffs. So we need to take advantage of this. All right, without talking much, let me go straight to the point. My number one point will be affiliate marketing. On this, I want to show you guys something. You guys know me. I'm an XNext partner, so I'm doing this video so you guys would see how far I have gone based on affiliate marketing alone. I send you my link. You join XNext trading platform through my link. XNext pays me a particular amount whenever you register a real account and you fund your first amount of money, your first amount of trading equity. XNext gives me a particular amount. I want to show you guys something. This is where I am going to. Now, as you can see, total profits 15,731.19 USD. Referrals 571 referrals. This is what I have made on affiliate marketing alone. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple: bringing people or helping a company run ads. What do I mean by that? Let's say, for instance, there's EcoBank. EcoBank, I think it was it EcoBank or Stanbic IBTC Bank? There was a time whereby on their app, they'll tell you, share this link, invite friends to join our bank. Once they join our bank, we'll give you 2,000 naira. Now, if you are this kind of a person that have a lot of people, maybe you are a social media influencer, or you have a lot of people, you can talk, you can do a lot of things, you have over 1,000 WhatsApp friends, you can share them the link. Hey guys, join Stanbic IBTC Bank. It's free to register. Use this link. Blah blah blah. As simple as that. Out of that 1,000, there's every tendency that 50 or 10 or 20 amongst them will register. Once they register, Stanbic IBTC Bank will give you 5,000 naira each on all the people you invite. Can you now imagine? That is called affiliate marketing. You are helping a company run advertisements. You are bringing customers for them. Now, there are a whole lot of companies online who are doing these things, and they are willing to pay so much. They are willing to pay so much, guys. I'm not only earning from XNext, I'm also earning from Binance. I'm earning from Binance. I'm not only earning from Binance, I'm earning from Hotbit. So whenever you see me talking about Binance, talking about Hotbit, and I tell you, join Hotbit right now with this link in below. Once you click that link and you join and you pay in your first deposit, Hotbit or Binance gives me a particular percentage. This is one side of the numerous aspect of online trading or online money making platforms. Aside from affiliate marketing, you all know I'm a Forex trader. I will do Forex for the rest of my life, guys. I will never work for any man. I will never do a 9-to-5 job. God forbid. I will never. I trade in the Forex market. And daily, my daily target in the Forex market is $500 to $1,000. And most times I always hit my daily target. If you think I'm joking, join my free group. In the description of this video, just check the description below of this video. You will see my Telegram group. I will add it there. It's a free group. Join and come and see for yourself. Come and see for yourself. Now, that is another means of making money. Forex trading online. Another one again is cryptocurrency holdings. Men and brethren, we all know that Shiba Inu is doing marvelously well now. We all know that Dogecoin did marvelously well right now. Guys, I bought Shiba Inu. I think I bought how many? Is it close to 100 million pieces of Shiba Inu? For how much? I think it was it $50 or what? How much did I spend? I know it was not up to $50 or so. I think it was last year. Yes, was it last year? I don't know, but I know I didn't spend up to $100. Do your mathematics now. You all know Shiba Inu. You know the current price. Let's go there. Should we? I don't want this video to be too long, but check Shiba Inu. 100 million of Shiba Inu right now. Check how much it is worth. I don't want to tell you. Something I bought with just something lesser than $50, if I'm not mistaken. What about Dogecoin? I have been mining Dogecoins for many years. I've been mining Dogecoin until when Elon Musk pumped it, it came to 0.2. Dogecoin is at 0.2 now, right? I think so. 0.2 or 0.02. Do you know how much that made me? So you can actually buy cryptocurrencies and hold them, or you can also trade on them on Binance futures. I've mentioned like 3 things right now. What about online sales? Now people don't spend money in renting shops anymore. What people do now, they use their house as their warehouse. They use their room as their warehouse. They order things online. You can order things from Alibaba, very cheap. China, or 18 is in 1927. I'll be 18 something. I have friends who does that. Don't worry. In the description below, I would give you probably links, or I would show you where you can get all these things. But right now, I just have to make this video as short as possible because I know most people don't like long videos. You can go on online, buy things, they'll ship it to you. At least in 1 month, they'll ship it to you. It will arrive in your house. You sell them online. You can create nowadays. You can create is it Spotify website, or Shopify website, or you can create website right now free of charge, whereby you can just you're only paying for the domain name. And right now, domain name in Nigeria is not up to $5 or $10. Pay for a domain name. Do you understand? Or if you don't want to do all those ones are a long journey. Just use social media. That's the best. Create a platform. Go on Instagram or go on Facebook. Create a page. Joy Collections. Upload the pictures of all the goods you have. Run ads on them. Run social media ads on them. Do you understand? There's every tendency, my brothers and sisters, that you will get customers. You will get customers. You also have friends. You also have friends on your WhatsApp list. You have families. You can share them. Oh, this is what I'm selling right now. It's cheap. A perfume you bought for $1 or $2 in China, you can sell it for $10, $15 here in Nigeria. People will buy. And your business is going. You don't need to. Okay, let me not digress. I've mentioned like 4 things right now. Online business, online sales and services. Online sales, services also is also there. You tell people what you do, but online sales is booming right now. Aside from that, now let's come down to YouTube. You all are seeing my videos. You're seeing adverts on them. If you're somebody that you can talk, you can teach, be doing YouTube videos. When did I start? My first payment from YouTube was 3. Let me show you guys. I can show you. I think I can show you. Let me show you, because they just paid me. All right, this is not it. This is it. Yes, this is my domiciliary account. As you can see, that's my name. Hi Henry, that's my name. This is the first amount YouTube paid me, $318. That's what YouTube paid me. Now let me take you to my YouTube studio. So you see something. Let me tell you how much I'm earning so far today. My estimated revenue, if you check it, you see watch time, views, subscriber, your estimated revenue is $52. So before month end, I know it will almost get to that $300. They'll pay me instantly into my account. How many things have I mentioned now? I've mentioned YouTube. I've mentioned online sales. Use social media. You post what you sell. You get customers. You run ad. I've talked about Forex trading. I've talked about cryptocurrency. And the first I talked about was affiliate marketing. Brothers and sisters, all these things are easy. There are a lot of... You see, should I tell you why you see all these social media influencers? All these influencers, do you know why they are doing well? Do you know why influencers are doing well? Should I tell you why influencers are doing well? Because they have people. Once an influencer come out and say, oh, join Xnest today. Check my bio. Click the link to join Xnest today. 2,000 people, 3,000 people have joined Xnest through their link. They are making sweet money. Oh, this soap is very, very this, is very, very that, is very, very that. Click this link to buy this soap. Probably they've registered on Amazon as an affiliate. They've gone to pick the link of that soap from Amazon. They'll paste it on their social media page. Click this link to buy this soap. As many that click that link to buy that soap, Amazon is giving them a percentage. And most times, all these affiliate companies, they give up to like 40%. They give up to like 40%. So, guys, there are a lot of things you can do now. There are a lot of things you can do now online, even if it's not what you want to focus on, but side hustle. There are a lot. All these things we also have drop shipping. A lot. But all these things you see me mention now are the things that I do. I'm into affiliate marketing. I'm into Forex trading. I'm into cryptocurrency trading. But I'm not really into sales. I was into sales before, but I stopped. Now, let me tell you one beautiful thing, guys. I wrote a book. Now, how did I do this book? How did I write this book? I wrote a book on fertility. I noticed when you go on Facebook, you see pages like fertility something. You see over 150,000 women. So meaning there are a lot of people who are infertile. So is that the right word? They are infertile. They are not fertile. A lot of women are looking for the fruit of the womb. So these women will do anything. So I decided to write a book. I wrote a book on herbal means to get fertility. What was the title of that book? So I went on Google. What I just did was I was copying and pasting. I was going to look at other people's comments, what people said about cucumber, what people said about this, what people said about that. I put all of them together. I compiled my book. I think my book was 17 page, and I put it for $1. $1. It was an ebook for $1. Brothers and sisters, if you see a book like that, $1, and the topic of the book is how to get your miracle baby. Simple means to get your miracle baby. Hey, I ran an online ads for it, a social media ads for it, and I targeted only women and women who are in all these fertility groups. Guys, the amount I made from that sales alone was mind-blowing. So guys, there are a lot of things that you can do online. I'm sorry that you guys are not seeing my face, because I really want to express myself so that you will see my face. But I'm sorry. My next video, you guys will see my face. But I want you to put all these things down into writing and look for the best one that fits what you can do. If it is Forex, see, for me, like I said earlier, Forex is my life, and I'll do Forex till the end of my life, for the rest of my life, because Forex is what gave me my accommodation, my house, gave me my everything that I have. I'm living fine. I quitted my job. I'm earning more times 10. Guys, I don't even know what to say again. Man, guys, but just put these things into writing. All these things that I've said. Thank you very much. If you have questions, ask me. Drop your comments below. I'm willing to answer you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Give this video a thumbs up. I know some people will still give it a thumbs down, but please, I don't know what I did to you that you are giving the video a thumbs down. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much, guys.